Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, most important scheme for agriculture examination and non-agriculture examination. Those students who are preparing for public service and state examinations, this scheme is very much important for all the examinations. Okay, so listen every point very carefully. We have given the detailed explanation of each and every point. This is going to be milestone in your examination. We want that every question that comes from this scheme, you should cover it. Okay, now let's start it. Four important point of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. First important point, it was launched by Government of India in year 2016. Means Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched by Government of India in year 2016. Second important point is in year 2021-22 rupees 16,000 crores was allocated to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Third important point is in year 2020 and 21 rupees 305 crore was allocated to Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. And last important point is why it is Yojana, what is the aim of this Yojana? The aim of the Yojana is to boost the safety of the farmers and crops and to ensure maximum benefit of the crop insurance to reach the farmers. Okay, this is the four important point. Now what main important question that comes in our mind, what is the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? Okay, now let's know it. Four important point of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana that everyone should understand. First important point is what is the theme of the scheme? The theme of the scheme is one nation one scheme theme. If in the examination if they ask what is the theme of the scheme, then it will be one nation one scheme. Why it is one nation one scheme? There are lot of another agriculture schemes for the insurance, okay, but everyone have different criteria and different coverage of the crop. But Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is the combination of all that scheme that covers all the crops and all different criteria. Okay, so it is called one nation one scheme. Now come to the what type of the crops are covered under this scheme. Annual commercial crops, annual horticultural crops, oilseed crops, food crops, cereal, millets, pulses, and all these are covered under this scheme. Okay, now come to the third important point. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is operational for the farmer who have not availed the institutional credit, while all who have borrowed the institutional credit from the bank are covered under this scheme mandatory. This was modified and enrollment made on the voluntary post Kharif season 2020. Okay, now understand this point in very easy language. In all other schemes, what are there? That those farmers who are taking credit from the banks, they are only can avail the insurance scheme and there is mandatory for them to take the scheme. But in Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, any farmer who have taken or not taken the institutional credit, they can make avail the crop insurance scheme. Okay, this was made after the Kharif season 2020. This rule was made. Under which ministry this scheme comes? This scheme comes under the Ministry of Agriculture. Now come to the another point, how Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana becomes Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 2.0. Now let's know it. Now we will understand revamping of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. How Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana becomes Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 2.0. Okay, now understand it very carefully. They have planned everything on the paper, okay, and when they implemented it on the field, then everything got messed up. Everything got messed up. There was lot of complaint of the farmers and lot of complaint of the insurance companies, how government will manage all this. So Union Cabinet had the meeting and they have decided that we will revamp it with the same aim. Okay, the aim will be the same, our aim will be the same, but we will revamp this scheme for the farmers. What are the changes they are going to do in the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? We will know this. Okay, first changes they are going to do this in the payment system. Farmers are claiming the payment after their crop got destroyed by the hailstorm or any problem, any climatic condition, then claim of the payment is getting too much delayed. Okay, so government is taking action on this, and many other things, that many technologies are added in this and many modifications are done in the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 2.0. Now we will know the important points in this. Okay, Now we will see what are the major changes that government did in Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 2.0. Okay, now understand it very carefully. This is very important slide. First important change they did for the northeastern state, the central share in the premium subsidy is increased to 90% from 50% earlier. Previously, center is paying 50% in the premium subsidy. Now they are paying 90% of the premium subsidy. Second change they did, information, communication and education activities. Means 0.5% of the total premium collected by the insurance companies have to spend on ICE activities. Total earning that insurance company will do from the area, they have to spend on information, communication with the farmers and educating the farmers. On these activities they have to spend their money. They have given the flexibility to the state, they have given the two flexibility to the state. Okay, now let's know the first one is state and union territories have the option to choose the scale of the finance in any district crop combination. Okay, according to the district, according to the environmental condition, according to the area, state government can choose the combination of the crops. Okay, now another important change, important flexibility given to the state is state and union territories given option to the run scheme with sectional and additional risk cover. Means state government and union territory government can add a risk cover in this scheme. They have the power to add the risk cover in this scheme. Now we will know the cap of the center premium subsidy. Okay, this is also very much important for your examination. Now let's see it. This is one of the most important slide if you are preparing for any examination. Okay, just listen it very much carefully. For unirrigated area or crops, the central subsidy to be limited premium up to 30%. For unirrigated area, central government is going to give subsidy up to 30%. Okay, for irrigated area, central government is going to give subsidy up to 25%. The district, any district with an area under irrigation more than 50% will be considered as irrigated district. Now understand, any district who have irrigated area of 50% and unirrigated area of 60% irrigated area and 40% unirrigated area, then that area will be considered as irrigated district. Okay, now come to the penalty. There is one system of penalty to the state. What is the penalty to the state? That if government, state government will delay to give the payment to the insurance company, like remaining payment, remaining share of the state government share, they will not give on the time to the insurance company. What is the time limit set? 31st March for the Kharif season and September 30 for the Rabi season. Then the state government will not allowed to run this scheme. Okay, these are the important point. Now we will know what is the cover under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It is also the important point. What will be the cover under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana? Local natural calamities like landslide and hailstorm are covered under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Calamities leading to the loss of yield like flood, dry spell, drought, etc., pest infection, infestation that cause the yield loss is also covered under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Losses that occur after the harvesting of the crop is also covered under this scheme. This circumstance can be befall due to the cyclone or unseasonal rain or cyclonic rains. Okay, now if the question will come that name the insurance scheme in which it covers the harvesting crop, means after the harvesting crop the insurance scheme covers the crop, it will be the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay, now we will see the objectives of the scheme. There is four major objective of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. First objective is to provide the financial support to the farmer if there is any natural calamities happen in that area, and to provide the financial support to the farmer, this scheme is made. Second, making sure the income of the farmer is stabilized and them continuing the farmer activities. Like if there will be flood, then farmers will be in so much loss and they will leave the farming. So stopping them to leave the farming, this scheme is made. Second, third important point, promoting farmer to adopt and use the modern equipment. Okay, for the agriculture practices, efficient and high yield farming. Main aim of this scheme is to promoting the farmer to adopt the new technologies like using the drones, using the mobile phones to know the climatic condition and all this. Ensuring the credit flow. What happens when any unnatural climatic activities will happen, when there will be flood, when there will be any type of disaster, then flow of the credit flow will be stopped. So to maintain the flow of the credit, to maintain the money in the farmer's pocket, this scheme is made. Okay, what are the features, what are the most important features that everyone should know about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, we will know now. There are 5 important features of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. I will tell everything in the short and clear. Okay. First important feature is complete insurance coverage. Means it is covering the whole crop. Means from sowing till post harvesting. Everything is covered under this scheme. So it is the first feature. Second feature, that claim settlement. On other scheme you will see it is taking too much time for the claim settlement, but in Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana 2.0 that every claim will be settled as soon as possible. Okay. Third important point, that every village and panchayat have their own major crops. By seeing their major crops and giving the insurance for their requirement, this is also the feature of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Okay. Along the landslide, hailstorm and even flooding, all the natural calamity, means every area have their local natural calamities. Okay. For seeing this, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is working on this to provide the localized climatic insurance. Okay. Assessment at the individual farm level. Now Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is working on the assessment of individual farms, means going to the farmers and assessment and giving the money for their loss. Okay, this is also the important features of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. The most common question that we get from the student, that where to download this PPT. You can download this PPT from our Telegram channel at the @AgriLearner app. You can join us on our WhatsApp group, that is 6201733962. We will share this PPT there also. You can download monthly current affair or join IBPS AFO course on agriguru.in. Thank you so much for giving your time, and comment below how is the video, and don't forget to subscribe.